go. Beautiful.
The video is going and pictures are going. Let me see a close up. First official catch. Do you want to give it a kiss?
No.
All right, catch and release. Good job, April. First one on the books.
Take it over to the shore.
Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up! Holy cow! Whoa! That is insane! We're gonna measure it?
Alright, the hook is right by my hand, and I'm holding it.
Okay.
So you got him? You want to see how heavy he is?
21 inches! 21 inches! Holy cow! Why don't you? Who caught it? Jordan! Oh, do it again. Kiss it. I'll take a video.
Hey, Jimmy! Hey, baby!
Wow!
Winner!
So how do you feel, Jordan?
Isn't that great? That's what I was going to say.
I don't think anybody's gonna pass that.
Yep, we gotta use that to the water. We gotta be remaining about it.
There, we gotta show everybody how this is catch and release. We're here at the first annual fishing tournament for our HR department, right? All of our employees. Thank you, Brittany. So we took the top 2 fishes or fish that were caught. And man, that first fish was huge. It was 21 inches. So this first prize, they come as a team. It is Jordan and Ingrid, 21 inches. They each get 8 hours of second place. How many inches? 12 inches. The team. What's the team?
April!
Team
I like everything I
April. And they each get 4 hours of PTO. Congratulations, guys. You guys are official.